All right, now, this is Terry's bike ride. We're going on a bike ride. I don't know where Terry one went. Oh, he's right there. Oh, this is a little jiggery. All right, this is Terry's bike ride. And we're on Terry's bike ride. This is Terry's bike ride. And we're riding Terry's bike. We're riding the bikes on the Terry bike ride. On the Terry mobile. The Terry mobile ride. Now look at this, Terry. I forgot I have to turn to end the camera because my phone is on my damn shit handlebar.
Stop being that way,
And Ella, we were getting along for about 10 seconds and she started being a bitch again. And she is just a damn bitch. And I was literally minding my own business, going to hang out with her one day. And she told me she didn't want to date me no more because she didn't want a boyfriend. And I said, all right. And she turned around and went and asked this bozo over here, it was right here, that's his car. She went and asked him to be her boyfriend. That shit's fucked up. Put that on.
Let's stop over there.
What?
Stop over there.
Alright now. We're stopping. Stopping the Terry mobile.
Joe Terry's up there.
This is the Terry Hill. It's called Terry Hill because me and Terry founded it. Why are you writing with chalk on my wheel, Terry? Let me see this shit.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing, Terry.
Let me see this shit, Terry.
Me too.
Terry. Terry, fix that.
It'll come
shit.
off, Terry. See?
It's all right now, Terry.
It's off, Terry.
Y'all like my hoodie? Here, I can't flip the camera. I'll just... Terry,
What?
you think... All right now, Terry, that's enough of that shit. You think you can slowly push up the camera like this? Look. Like this and make it... Wait, stay still.
Make it touch your face, yeah.
No, make it go like this, right below my head.
So get your eye hot, the part.
Never mind, Terry. You're gonna mess this shit up.
Exactly.
It just says I heart hot moms. That's what my hoodie says. It's this color. But me and Terry founded this hill. That's why it's called Terry Hill. And it's real hard to walk up sometimes because it's really steep on this angle. And I fell. This is the only time I'm wearing pants because I don't want to get bit by skaters and we're about to go fishing. We can do Terry's fishing.
No, let's not.
Let's do Terry's fishing. Let's dig a hole. What? We're digging a hole. Again. Terry's hole part 2. Just kidding. I'm sorry, Terry. Let me clean off my shoes.
Get out, Terry. Terry, how much is it take?
Let me clean off my shoes. Damn, Terry.
Every time, Terry.
Actually, I don't think I did it in Terry's salad. That's the only one. Nuh-uh. Oh wait, never mind. It was on the way to the hole. I said, yeah, dang. Alright, Terry. Let's continue the Terry's bike ride. No. Oh shit, Terry's coming after me. Terry threw some shit at me. I gotta go. Terry might hit me. Terry might run over me. Now, we only got about 5 more minutes. And I just definitely didn't have a voice crack. We only got about 5 more minutes for Terry's bike ride. Because we gotta go fishing down soon. And the sun's about to come down. And that's very, very dildo. I think Terry's coming after me. Yeah, Terry, I didn't realize Terry was very, very behind me. Terry, don't run over my back wheel.
Don't run.
There's a white cat at that house we just passed. But it's not right there right now. I think it lives there. Terry, stop running over my wheel. Damn, Terry. You are a Terry. Terry! Terry, quit this shit. Quit that shit, Terry. You're gonna make my knee injured. Oh yeah, yesterday I was walking, running. Me and Terry were jogging. And he took up the whole damn sidewalk because of how fat he is. And I tripped over him. Terry, quit it. And now I have a Band-Aid on my knee and it's yellow. My knee's yellow. And Terry keeps running over my tire and it's very, very... Quit that shit. What the hell? Alright, Terry, we got an extra 10 minutes.
Yeah,
Because these damn
Terry,
idiots
keep going.
hadn't even left yet.
Keep going, Terry. I gotta use the restroom real quick.
These damn idiots haven't even left yet. They're supposed to leave about 10 minutes ago. They're supposed to leave 7 minutes ago. Oh, what the hell? Why is there a lady just standing there staring at me? In between the tree and that thing, I forgot what it's called, that black thing. Just rewind the video and look. There's a lady standing between the tree and that black thing. Oh, camper. She's standing in between the tree and the camper, just staring. She's got a blue shirt. That is my house. What the hell? There's some kids in my backyard to my left. I can't show her there because I can't really. I have to aim the camera with my hand. The reason I aimed my phone down a minute ago, there was a lady, and I didn't want to get her in the camera. Y'all might have seen her. I didn't realize I had her in the camera until I aimed it down. Now, Terry, I think I just seen a rabbit go behind that house to the left of me. But again, oh no, it's a bird. But again, I can't aim my camera down there. Because, or else it might fall out of my, I mean, I might be. No, I can't. It'll fall out of my hand. That right there, the car and the flowers, that's Mike's house. He rides my bus. He's in 8th grade, I'm in 7th grade. I talk to him every day on the bus. And I was riding my bike around with him the day before yesterday, so that would have been Friday. Y'all, this shit's crazy. This neighborhood's shit. I don't like it. Oh shit, Terry's chasing me. I gotta pick up the pace. Alright, Terry's behind me. Terry's behind me. Gotta make sure. Oh shoot, Terry's right there. There's a dog right there. That lady is staring at me in the sun. This shit's crazy. Terry, he just turned the corner. Terry's. For all y'all Terry's out there, he just helped y'all know. juke him out. Oh shit, that didn't work well. That didn't work well. He's right behind me. Terry's right behind me. Oh shit, there's Ella.
She hit you.
I just put my phone right up there.
Terry, you can't outrun me.
Terry,
If you don't stop, I'm gonna hit you, Terry.
Terry, stop.
You're not fucking dog.
My legs hurt. Quit. Quit. Terry, stop. Actually. Terry, stop. Or I'm going home and never coming back.
Okay, I'll hit you again then. You have to
That's what I thought, Terry.
You have to go fishing with me anyway, so. What you going to?
Shit. Terry.
Terry, you ain't going nowhere.
Terry. Terry.
You're not going nowhere, Terry. Uh-oh.
Terry.
Nope.
Terry. Actually, stop it. You're gonna scratch up my bike.
I don't care. Your bike sucks.
It does. You're gonna scratch up my brand new whip.
If this ain't brand new, you've had this for 5 years.
Oh shit, I have. I've had it for about 4 years.
I'll hit you again.
Shit, Terry, quit that shit. Quit it.
Bruh.
I'm not a stupid ass dog.
If you slap me again, I'm gonna be bad.
Quit. You're
Terry,
the one running out in front of me. You expect me not to hit you.
I'll leave Terry.
You'll leave? You'll leave the Terry group?
Yeah, I will.
Don't leave the Terry group. Then there'll only be one Terry. And then I'll be Terry 1. There'll only be Terry 1. Oh shit, there's a shark down there. Can't see. Oh well.
Terry, get off the road. Terry, get out of the
He's
road.
gonna run over me. He's gonna run over me, Terry. Terry, this shit's gonna run. Oh shit, Terry. I could've got one over. Could've got. Terry!
Come here, Terry.
Terry, quit! Terry went the other way. What are you doing over here? Terry, what are you doing over here?
Terry.
Why is there glass
Terry,
busted?
Why's that glass busted out here?
Terry! Terry got a pit stuck in his front tire. That's a net.
I got this glass.
Terry got a net stuck in his tire. His front tire. You shit, that's wrapped around my
I
head.
know. Now you gotta go do Terry repairs.
Oh shit. Alright, now bye y'all. We gotta go do some Terry repairs. And there's glass right there. Alright, bye. Once we get to the house, I'm gonna have to go, y'all. So we're gonna have to do some Terry repairs. Oh shit, Terry, that's not good at all. This Terry repairs might take about an hour. Let's not
Go! I have to go to the...
let's not use any silverware. Let's just use our bare hands for the Terry repairs.
Alright.
Oh, Terry, that's stuck on there good.
We can do two.
No, we'll make it 2 separate videos. Shit, go on, kiss. Here. Stand. Alright, bye now.